guys, here from BG Trading. Hope you're well. Today is Tuesday, 10th of August 2021, and I'll be analyzing BrainChip Holdings, which the SX code is BRN. Can this stock price go to $1? So let's have a look. Just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice. It's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategies, BG Trading and BGS Trading, to know whether we should buy or sell stocks, how we use the indicators and the KPIs to set up targets, to avoid FOMO and avoid making all the silly mistakes that a lot of people make in the market. So if you like the way we trade, please subscribe our channel now and share with someone this that you believe will be adding value to. Let's have a look what's happening with this company. Now, this is a company that holds a patent into a cutting-edge technology, neuromorphic computer sort of artificial intelligence processor. They call Akida. I hope that's the way to best describe this thing. So Akida, BrainChip Akida, which is a processor, revolutionary advanced neural network processor that brings artificial intelligence to the edge in a way that existing technologies are not capable of. Not at the moment. They claim to be 3 years ahead of any other processor maker out there, including Intel. Well, this is the biggest challenge for this company as a small player in the market to position in the market in a way that will keep this advantage away in terms of time length. Because last year, that's when the company got all the investors got really excited. But now we are a year away, already, like a year gone, and this company still hasn't managed to come up with some good commercial agreements. And that's what we're looking at as investors. So if we trade in the stock or buying as investment, that's what we need to do. Furthermore, there's a problem here. The company doesn't have any CEO at the moment. It actually has just the acting CEO, but they're actually seeking to a CEO capable to take the company from what it is now to the next level. And that's what the investors are looking at. So I think the critical thing for this stock is to understand this is a high-risk speculative stock, either if you invest or trading, okay? Saying that, it does represent a lot of opportunity to make big gains in every time the share price swings, triggered by potential announcements. This company also talking with NASA about using its technology as well. It's currently producing one of its processor, and obviously needs to come up with some compelling announcements that will show investors that the company is taking effective steps towards the commercialization of the processor. They're also working in the new processor, okay, that calls Akida 1500, which is currently in development and prototyping. So apparently this is going to be the next level of this current processor already. Now, one of the things in this is that has scalable architecture, also ultra low power consumption, and that's when Akida processor leaps from the rest of the processors as well. And obviously incremental learning. The applicability is vast, can apply in many different devices in many different industries, okay? And if you go to this analysis here that I did, which I'm going to be putting the link, I actually put together everything I'm saying, but in a much better way, for you to understand exactly what the company does, exactly what is the forecast in the market as well. This is projection of what's the industry demand could be for this different industry for demand for this processor. So you can see here, automotive is the green one. So if we're increasing year on year, and obviously as the automobiles become more and more advanced, they will need this sort of technology to help drivers to understand how a driver's behavior is, and understand sensors and everything. I'm not very expert on this, but I can tell you this is a promising company, but it does have to deliver step by step to the commercialization. That's what we wanted to see. Most important, what we need to see now is definitely a new CEO that will be able to take the company from this level here to the next level. Now, in this analysis, I also put a interview video with the actually acting CEO, Mr. Peter Vander, which he explained what the company is doing, what the company is up to, how far they are from actually commercialization, and a lot more information regarding this company. Furthermore, if you're a VIP member, you're going to have access to details of our entry as well, so you can just enter if you want, and our targets as well. So very interesting there. So it's important to know that as being a speculative gig, this company doesn't really generate nearly zero revenue, and the net loss is quite high, obviously, because they just pumping money in R&D and everything. Saying that, apparently they manage the money for research and development really, really well, which become a little bit of concern. If you watch this interview, you will see that a lot of investors challenging the company why the investment in R&D is currently low. But the CEO says that is because they are very effective and they have really good people working a lot, pretty much as often, a lot of hours to deliver the results. Now, regarding the stock price, this is why we got interested in this stock. It's been on a watch list for a while. We did trade last year a couple times. Now, let me tell you why we are interested in this stock. Now, it's been a while since this company has any like compelling announcements. Okay, but we know they are working behind the scenes, and there's a lot of things going on, and that's why in these last 3 days, as you can see here, you had this rise on the share price. But mostly important, as you can see, we have confirmation of volume building up as well. So as you can see here, volume has been building day by day, which is exactly what we want to see before triggering a rally, okay, on the share price. I might be wrong here, but we speculating there could be some news coming out. And this is a speculative stock, okay? Which is not the essentiality of this channel, not the essentiality of BG trading, but we gotta go where the market is moving. Okay, sometimes we stay in a good quality stocks, and then they don't move. So we need to make sure we move our funds to maximize profit out of positions, out of stocks that are actually going up. As you see if you've been following us in this channel, you see that we made a lot of great trades last week with lithium stocks. We're still holding some lithium stocks. So we're shifting a little bit the money where the market is moving, and it could be potential. Obviously, this speculative stock, we would never go further than 5% out of portfolio, because this is obviously will be a very risky trade. But this is how we trade, mainly because we have this the share price just trading under the SMA for a while. And remember what our strategy says: you only buy stocks, even though it's speculative stocks, or if it is blue chip stock, any stock, you only buy on the way up, when it is trading under or at SMA, never at the FOMO area. What we wanted to be doing is we want to be holding this stock now, as long as you have the green candles. Doesn't matter if it goes down a little bit. If you look at this, we use Heikenach as one of our main indicators, because that clears up the path, and then we can see without pollution. As you can see here, you have all the green candles on the way up, all the red candles on the way down, and that's what we have here as well. Furthermore, we have what we call bullish intersection level 1 and bullish intersection level 2. Now, you don't understand what I'm saying. take a look on our website, bgtrading.com.au, for online course. You can learn all the terminology and how to apply our strategy right away. The course is about 4 hours. That's it. And you learn the whole thing. Yes, you should be doing this as well. Now, targets. Well, it could go answer the theme of this this video is, could this stock go to $1? Yes, it could, but I believe in order to be able to go to $1 level, which is right here about 100% from the current level, it needs to either find a CEO straight away and get this information, get a CEO that has a really good CV into taking businesses like this to commercialization. Okay. Furthermore, have to come up with some really good outcome out of NASA as well. There's waiting for NASA feedback, which is currently testing the Akida chip, and come up with some commercial agreements as well. Like, we want to see they selling in different industries. That's what we wanted to see. So this is all about this BRN company. At the moment, what we're going to be doing is, every time we get a nice announcement, we're going to be taking the ride and selling after the announcement. So we take the profit, wait, move away from this stock, and wait for another stock. This is trading, okay? Now, if you're investing in this company, you got to hold for 1 or 2 years. But you got to be accountable to ensure that you are following what's happening behind the scenes. When you become a shareholder, remember this, you are part of the business now, and you got to make sure you understand what is happening. Guys, this was my taking on BRN. Hope you enjoyed. I think this video is a bit longer, but yes, leave a comment if you have any questions, and thank you very much. See you in the next video. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators, to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.